Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to edit PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe Acrobat Reader and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find the recommended tools for you. You can click here to see all the tools. You can work with the PDF right now, click on open file. Right here, you're gonna find always open PDFs in Acrobat Reader if you want to set it as your default reader. Right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find recent, stored, your files, scans, shared by you, shared by others, all agreements, your computers, and you can add file storage to store your PDF files. So basically, guys, if you want to edit a PDF, just go right here and you can click on work with the PDF right now, click on open file, and then you can choose any PDF from your computer. So for example, I'm going to choose this PDF. And then you're going to be taken to this page. So right here, you can see all of the tools. And right here, you're going to find edit, edit content or organize pages. If you click on edit, right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit this PDF. So right here, you're going to find rotate page right, crop page, delete page, extract page, organize pages. Right here, you're going to find text. If you want to add a text, you can add an image, header and footer, watermark, link. You can see also more things like base numbering, button, video, sounds, 3D media, attach file, background, article box, and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.